Hmm.
Dear students,
Why so?
in this class, let us study about the chapter matrices. Matrices. In this chapter, we shall see an important and most useful mathematical tool, matrices. We study the algebra of matrices and its application to solve the system of linear equations. Now, the definition of matrix. Matrix is the singular of matrices. What is the definition of matrix? Definition: a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called element of the matrix or the entries of the matrix. An array, here the word array, an array of the numbers that is real or complex, in the form of rows and columns, and enclosed within a pair of brackets, that is brackets, open brackets or closed brackets, is called a matrix. The numbers that form a matrix are called elements of the matrix. The matrices are denoted by English capital letters, that is A, B, C, etc. So for example, matrix A equals -2, 5, 0, √5, 3, 6. Matrix B equals 1, 0, -2, 5. And also matrix C, 1 plus x cube, 3, cos x, sin x, plus 2 tan x. So these are all examples of matrices. In these matrices, the horizontal lines of elements in matrix A, the horizontal lines of elements of matrix A is called the rows of the matrix. In matrix A, there are 3 rows. -2, 5 is the first row, 0, √5 is the second row, 3, 6 is the third row. The horizontal lines of elements are called the rows of the matrix and the vertical lines of elements are called the columns of the matrix. Again in matrix A, -2, 0, 3 is a first column of matrix A and 5, √5, 6 is a second column of matrix A. Similarly, matrix B, 1, 0 is a first row, -2, 5 is a second row, and -1, 1, -2 is a first column, 0, 5 is a second column. Similarly, in matrix C, 1 plus x, x cube, 3 is a first row, cos x, sin x plus 2, tan x is a second row. Similarly, 1 plus x, cos x is a first column, x cube sin x plus 2 is a second column, 3 tan x is a third column. Thus, the matrix A has 3 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, matrix B has 2 rows and 2 columns, and matrix C 2 rows and 3 columns. The next concept, order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. What is the order of a matrix? A matrix having m rows and n columns, then A is called a matrix of order m cross n. A matrix having m rows and n columns, then A is called a matrix of order m cross n. This can be read as m into n or m by n matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to -2, 1, 3, 0, 7, -3 is a matrix of order, so 3 into 2, 3 cross 2. Similarly, matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 3, -7, 0, 1 is also a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Similarly, matrix C 1, 2, 3 is also a matrix of order 1 cross 3. So these are all examples of order of a matrix. Usually we denote the order of a matrix is we denote the order of a matrix at right side bottom of the matrix. Example, that is matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, -7, 8, 5, 6, 4 is what is the order of this matrix? Order is 3 cross 3 at right side bottom of the matrix. The next, in general, the matrix A has 1, 2, 3, 0, -7, 8, 5, 6, 4 is the order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. The matrix A as 3 cross 3 will be 3 cross 3, 3 into 3 becomes 9 elements. Similarly, matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Order is 2 cross 2. Then we'll have 4 elements. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Similarly, matrix C 1, 2, 3. Order of this matrix 3 cross 1 will have 3 elements. In general, a matrix of order m cross n will be mn elements. Again, in general, and matrix m cross n can be arranged in the following ways. That is, matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, etc. A1J, etc. A1N, A21, A22, A23, etc. A2J, etc. A2N, here, etc. AI1, AI2, AI3, etc. AIJ, etc. AIN, A1M, AM1, AM2, AM3, etc. AMJ, etc. AMN. Or matrix A is equal to AIJ. Order is m cross n, where I less than or equal to m, greater than or equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, greater than or equal to 1, and I comma j belongs to n. N is a natural numbers. Again, A equal to Aij, order is m cross n. Thus, height row consists of the elements AI1, AI2, AI3, etc. AIN, and while jth column consists of the elements A1J, A2J, A3J, etc. AMJ. In general, again, AIJ is an element. This is an element of order of the matrix m cross n, lying in the height row and jth column. Height row and jth column of matrix A. Then we can also call it as the I comma jth element of matrix A. The number of elements in an matrix m cross n will be equal to mn elements. mn elements. In the following matrix, A equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 3, 6, 7. In matrix A, write the order of this matrix. What is the order of this matrix? Is 3 cross 3, and write the number of elements. Total number of elements is 9. And also write the elements of, so A11. A11 means, so here high is 1, J also 1, A11 is 1. A12, so first row, second column element is -2. Similarly, A13, so first row, third column is 3, and A21, second row, first column is 4, A22, second row, second column is 0, A23, second row, third column is 5, and similarly A31, third row, first column 3, so third row, second column is 6, third row, third column is 7. So next, if a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? If a matrix has 8 elements, we know that a matrix of order m cross n, it has mn elements. That is, thus to find all possible orders of a matrix with 8 elements, now we will find possible orders of natural numbers. The product is 8. Thus, all the possible ordered pairs are 1, 8, 8, 1, 2, 4, and 4, 2. 1 into 8, 8. 8 into 1, 8. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are also 8. This can be written as in orders. Hence, all the possible orders are 1 cross 8, 8 cross 1, 2 cross 4, and 4 cross 2. There are 4 possible orders if a matrix has 8 elements. Similarly, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 24 elements is there in that matrix. How many possible orders it can have? One is 1 cross 24, 24 cross 1, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 8 into 3, 3 into 8. There are 8 possible orders it can have if a matrix has 24 elements. Similarly, one more, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 1 cross 18, 18 cross 1, 6 3s are 6 cross 3, 3 cross 6, 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2. There are 6 possible orders it can have if a matrix has 18 elements. Has 5 elements. If a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? One possible order is 1 cross 5, and another one possible order 5 cross 1. Only two possible orders it can have. Similarly, if a matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 1 cross 13 and 13 cross 1. Yes. Example 1. Example 1. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij. Aij is an element, that is element is I divided by j. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix by using this element. In a general, a 2 cross 2 matrix is given by matrix A is equal to A1 1, A1 2, A2 1, A2 2 in generally say 2 cross 2 matrix. Then what is the element of A1 1, A1 2, A2 1, A2 2? By using this definition, here I is equal to 1 comma 2 and j is equal to 1 comma 2. Now first we have to find A11. So A11 is I is 1, j is also 1. So right hand side I is 1 dividing by j is also 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. A11 is 1. A12 I is 1, j is 2, 1 by 2, or we can write 0.5. A21 I is 2, j is 1, I is 2, 2 by 1 is equal to 2. The next one, A22 is equal to I is 2, j is 2, 2 gets cancellation 1. So therefore the required matrix 2 cross 2 is A is equal to matrix A is A11 is 1, A12 is 1 by 2, A21 is 2, A22 is 1. The 2 cross 2 matrix. So, construct a 3 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod I minus 3j. Construct a 3 cross 2. Here rows 3, columns 2. Here I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and j is equal to 1 comma 2. So first we have to find 3 cross 2 means that is A11. A11 is equal to 1 by 2 mod 1 minus 3 into 1 equals 1 by 2 mod 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 3 becomes mod minus 2. 1 by 2 into mod minus 2 becomes plus 2, gets cancellation 1. A11 is 1. A12 1 by 2 mod 1 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 5 is equal to 5 by 2. A13 is equal to 1 mod 1 minus 3 cross 3 into 3 is equal to 1 by 2 mod 1 minus 9 is equal to 1 by 2. So into 1 minus 9 minus 8 mod minus 8 becomes plus 8 is equal to 4. A11, A12, A13. The next 3 cross 2, 3 cross right 1 3, it becomes 4. So here 3 cross 2 matrix A11, okay, A12, but A13. So here don't want, okay, don't want that one, A13. Next we have to find A21. A21 I is A21. So 2 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Mod minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. The next A22 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Mod minus 4 becomes plus 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2. The next A31, 1 divided by 2, I is 3 minus j is 1, j is 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 minus 3, its cancellation 1 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. A32 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 3 minus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3, that is 3 divided by 2. So finally the required matrix A equals A11 1, A12 5 by 2, A21 1 by 2, A22 2, A31 0, A32 3 by 2. So matrix 3 cross 2. Stop.